Hello, happy Friday. So today is National Compliments Day and it's run by Jigsaw Ireland. Jigsaw are a fantastic service and I was given the use of their service back in 2012 and again in 2017 to help with family therapy when we were going through some really difficult traumas. So a huge shout out to everyone that works within Jigsaw. They're doing amazing work for the youth of Ireland with mental health services. And be kind, be good, give compliments, give them every day and do good. Let's all do better.